Hi everyone, it's Shell from Scrap Secrets and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a haul video from Hero Arts. I got my monthly hero kit in the mail today from March and wanted to just show you guys the contents. So it was waiting on my doorstep when I came home. I actually normally work from home, but today I had a huge presentation, which is why I'm dressed up and I have makeup on. So I decided, hey, it would be a great day to do a face-to-face video. So Comcast kind of ruined my plans and decided to do a major internet upgrade today. Sent us a note last night saying that you were gonna experience intermittent outages, and I had an hour-long presentation, and just my luck, it would happen in the middle of my presentation. So I went to my parents' house today, was there for the majority of the morning and a good part of the afternoon, came home, and then about 20 minutes after I came home, the internet actually went out. So it was pretty much good all day, but if I had stayed home, it would have gone out in the middle of my presentation. So I was able to pick this up and want to just show you guys what I got. So in the kit is always a thank you notice. And then this, I get the regular kit. There's also a premium kit and it comes in 1 and 6 month subscriptions. I believe the regular kit comes in 1, 3, and 6 month subscriptions. And I believe it is cheaper if you do more months. Again, I do a month to month, which is about $35 as of the time of this video. And I believe the premium kit is about $50. So there's a couple extra things that you get in the premium kit that you don't get in the regular kit. And truth be told, I didn't love this kit. It's not one of my favorite ones. Some of my favorite ones are the Christmas ones and the ones that have the Heroscapes in it. So it's kind of a gamble. You can skip if you do multiple months, I believe, but I think if you're month to month after they announce it, you had to have canceled already. So just gonna keep doing this for a little while and see if I like them. If not, I probably will resell them. So let me show you what is in the kit. So this Hero Arts Intensified Black Ink Cube, these are great. I don't have this one in the cubes, but I do have sitting on my desk, I just happen to have it here, is the embossing one, as well as the Unicorn White Pigment ink. I leave these on my desk because these are great for the girls when they stamp something, super easy for their teeny tiny hands. And also it's easier than keeping a full ink pad on my desktop sometimes. So especially if I have to keep multiple ones here, but those are the inks that I use the most, the embossing one, the white, and then now I have a black cube that can sit on my desk. Okay. So also included are these adorable shaker pieces. And as soon as I saw these shaker pieces, I automatically thought, look at how well they go with these colors, because they have those fun like 80s neon colors and just super bright and bold, and thought these looked really nice with this. So I think I'm going to use this, and this is from last month's kit. This one was from the premium kit. So have those ones. There is a 6x6 background stamp of fruits. So one of the things that I thought you could do, and I might do this, is emboss this in black ink, and then, or emboss this with black ink, and then, yeah, is that what I said? Oh, Jesus. Emboss it with black ink, heat set it with some clear powder, and then use this either to swipe it over top or to watercolor, because these are water reactive inks. So just a couple things you can do. Also creating a shaker card with this, with the stamp set that I'm going to show you. So next, again, is the stamp set. So this is a 6x8 stamp set, and there are a bunch of fruits on here, and there are some punny sentiments, and then some sentiments that you can use on pretty much any card, like a thank you, a hello, there's a smaller thank you, there's sentiment that like a punny one, and a regular sentiment that you can put together, like this one: I love you cherry much, thank you cherry much, I'm bananas for you, have a grape day, you're berry sweet. And then, you know, so some that are specific to the fruit cards, and then some that are not. So I think stamping these images just to create your own background versus using this too, you could definitely do that. So really, really cute. And then I got this, and so in your kit also always comes this card that tells you what's in there. So we did the clear stamp set, which is 6x8, and then there are 10 coordinating dies with it. So here are the coordinating dies, and then the one on the back of here. Don't forget about that one. They did talk about that, I believe, in the live, but just in case you didn't know, there is a die that's taped to the back of it. So then we have the fruit cling stamp, 6x6, the intensified black ink cube, the clay fruit embellishments, which you saw the shaker pieces. And then it says 5 sheets of watercolor paper, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches. This looks like 5 sheets to me, and this looks like 8 1/2 by 5 1/2 inches, because they also include 2 sheets of kiwi and coral cardstock, which measure 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, which would make a great card base, or could make 2 card fronts from each one. And these are the exact same size. So it looks like you actually got more this month than what you were supposed to get. So I believe you were just supposed to get half of this, but love the fact that they gave out full 8 1/2 by 5 1/2 sheets, because who can't use watercolor paper, especially since this one is nice and thick and it's probably pretty expensive. So that is everything that comes in the kit. This is the card that has all of the contents listed on the back, and then some project ideas on the front, which they always put in there. Really cute. And then it comes in a bag, which I took everything out of. And this is the little zipper pouches that they give you. Great for crafting on the go. Have a couple of these. And I actually am starting a stack on the other side of the craft room. So that's everything that I got in the Hero Arts kit. I wanted to show you guys real quick something that my sister-in-law and brother got me for Fred. If you didn't hear, Fred passed away. There's a video kind of, I think the one right before this one, talking a little bit about this. And my sister-in-law got me this. Obviously, it's my sister-in-law. My brother did too, but my sister-in-law went on to Etsy and ordered this. So it has his name and then the year on it. There is a coaster on the back of it, so you can put it down, or there's a little stand that's also included in here. So I have this, and then I think it was like the day after he passed away, I reached out to a woman that I follow on Instagram. She rescues cats. I found her through Beth Stern. I believe her name is Boca Ratona on Instagram, and she's fantastic. She's a cop who rescues kittens. Her name's Gretchen, and she lost one of her foster cats when he was a baby. And she bought this really, really cute cat with angel wings on it, and has like a little tray that you can put birdseed on. And I reached out to her, asked her where she got it, and she was so sweet and sent me the Amazon link, and said that she was so sorry about Fred. And I ordered it that night. It is still sitting in a box because for some reason that one is really hard for me to open. Trying to figure out what to do with it. Wanted to put it outside, but I have a little ceramic piece that's outside. It's a box with 2 cats in it and a bird. The lawn care guys knocked the bird off of it, and it's like, I just don't want anything to happen to this one. So not sure where I'm going to put it. Don't know if I'm going to put it inside because it really is meant to go outside. So there might be a spot outside that I'm thinking of doing it, doing something out back and have it there. I'll have to tell you in the next story time, I'll tell you about Fred and the ducks, because I don't think I've ever told this story, and it is so stinking funny and so cute. So it's just, and I think that I'm going to try to do something out back there and see if the ducks come by. And then, so I'll tell you that story in one of the next videos in story time. So that's it. Thank you guys for sticking with me through the whole entire thing as I go through the whole grieving process with Fred. Lucy and I do, and she's still sad. I'm trying to figure out what's the best thing to do for her. But we're doing the best that we can. There will be more videos coming. I have 2 hops, one this weekend, one next weekend. So there will be videos for that. And I did record a video. I just have not had a chance to edit it and do the voiceover. So that one will be coming soon. So maybe in that one, there will be a story time, if not in one of the next couple ones. So thank you guys so much for watching and supporting and being great throughout this whole entire process, and being patient with me while I get back to, I hate saying the new norm, but just try to navigate through everything that's going on. So I will see you guys again real soon for another video. Bye.